Over the past 2 days, a study was published in Nature magazine discussing an ancient branch of the Nile River, located south of the Giza Pyramids. The river existed during the construction era of the pyramids but disappeared over time. The research has caused a significant stir and has been widely covered in local and international media, with many people discussing it on social media platforms. But what is the significance of this information? What can we benefit from it? How does this topic solve some of the puzzles related to the transportation of stones for the pyramids? And most importantly, how can it contribute to discovering new archaeological landmarks buried in the sands for thousands of years? Understanding the importance of the discussed research is essential. We need to start from scratch. It is known that the Giza Pyramids were mostly built using stones extracted from the Giza Plateau itself. However, a portion of the stones was brought from distant places, like the white limestone from the Tura quarries or the granite stones from Aswan. These stones puzzled researchers for centuries, as no one understood how the ancient Egyptians were able to transport these massive stones over such long distances. We are talking about over 900 kilometers from Aswan to Cairo, and the issue posed a major mystery. Various theories emerged to explain the transportation methods, particularly during the flood season of the Nile River. Some researchers suggested that ancient Egyptians relied on flooding, especially before the construction of the High Dam. The flooding of the Nile used to reach the outskirts of Giza close to the pyramid area. The researchers assumed that the Nile's water level was significantly higher in ancient times, and when flooding occurred, the water level approached the Giza Plateau. They believed that this allowed the Egyptians to utilize the Nile's floodwaters to aid in the transportation of stones during the construction of the pyramids. In this context, a team of researchers conducted a study to analyze the rock layers in the pyramid area and extracted fossilized plant grains that grow along the Nile banks, indicating a long-standing presence of these plants in the region. From this evidence, they inferred that there was a water channel near the pyramids, not just a small waterway but a complete river approximately 64 kilometers long and up to 500 m wide, running parallel to the current Nile. The findings revealed that this river was a key route for the transport of stones via boats from various cities to Giza. The river's depth, about 25 m, could easily support large vessels with cargo. This river was ideal for transporting stones from Aswan and other cities to Giza. In addition, the discovery of this river sheds light on the layout of the pyramids and the significance of water sources in their construction. The exploration team made use of satellite radar images that penetrate layers of the earth to locate and analyze deep soil samples in the Giza area, and they found remnants of ancient water channels adjacent to the pyramids, hinting at the ingenious methods used by the ancient Egyptians in water management for construction purposes. This discovery challenges previous assumptions and sheds new light on the engineering achievements of the ancient Egyptians in managing water for the construction of monumental structures. In the Western Desert, researchers further explained how they transported massive stones from Aswan using the mechanism that existed at that time, which led to the construction of the pyramids. This discovery raises the question of possible benefits today. As Egypt, can we benefit from it? The Pyramid River has been affected by drought and desertification over time, and the sands have completely buried it. However, just as the sand has covered it, it has undoubtedly covered many hidden treasures with it, including numerous tombs and other valuable artifacts. Therefore, if we explore along the banks of this river or near it, we are likely to discover many archaeological sites that were previously unknown to us. We can consider this river as a map for researchers to explore. Regarding Egyptian antiquities, there are many hidden treasures yet to be discovered, as researchers often claim that all Egyptian artifacts discovered so far do not compare to the treasures still buried underground to this day. That's all for now! Who has reached so far? All of you are amazing people! And don't forget, if you have any nominations for the group, write them in the comments.
Hello my family, curious souls. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.